Good afternoon, fishermen. It's raining. See what's in the water, eh? Apart from the fish and the ducks. Go and see if we can catch some. It's just starting to rain. Right, fishermen. We got a fish on. Got a bit of weight in it too. This is another airflow rod, new one. Last one snapped in three casts, so that went back to where it belongs. And this is a one from hunting and fishing. So this is the first fish across it. The first of many, hopefully. It's been christened. Got a westerly, light westerly. A few showers going through. Bloody cold this morning. Very cold this morning. Got a bit of weight to it, this fish. So they are still here. Just a very, very light tape. Find out whether it's a hen or a jack in a minute. If it's a jack, he's getting a crack on the head. If it's a hen, she can go home. Nice fish though. Rightio, fisherman, it's a big fat hen. Look at that. She's ready to spawn. She's in good shape. She's just absolutely chocker full of roe. That's all good. It's a hatchery job. Left pelvic's gone. We'll put her back where she came from, eh? They do spawn in here. There you go, Bubba. Get away.